In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the two-way calendar sync feature in Pipedrive. This powerful tool can help streamline your scheduling and ensure you're always on top of your appointments. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open your personal preferences within Pipedrive. To do this, navigate to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see your profile icon. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Personal Preferences. This will take you to a page where you can customize various settings to make Pipedrive work better for you. Now that you're in the Personal Preferences section, the next step is to navigate to the Calendar Sync option. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Calendar Sync. This is where the magic happens because you'll be connecting your external calendar, like Google Calendar or Outlook, to Pipedrive. After you click on Calendar Sync, it's time to connect your account. You'll need to sign in to your external calendar provider, whether that's Google Calendar, Outlook, or another service. During this process, you'll be prompted to grant Pipedrive the necessary permissions to read and write your events. Make sure to allow these permissions as they are crucial for the sync to work effectively. Once you've successfully connected your account, you'll be prompted to choose how you want the information to flow between Pipedrive and your calendar. Here, select the two-way sync option. This is particularly important because it ensures that any changes made in Pipedrive, like scheduling a meeting or changing an event time, automatically sync to your calendar. Similarly, if you make edits in your calendar, those changes will update in Pipedrive as well. It's truly a time saver. Next, you'll want to configure your settings to suit your needs. One of the first decisions you'll need to make is about your default subcalendar. You may have multiple calendars under a single account, so choose the one you'd like Pipedrive to sync with primarily. Additionally, you'll need to decide whether you want to sync all events from your calendar or just specific activities related to Pipedrive. This helps keep your schedule organized according to your preferences. Also, take a moment to set your privacy options. For example, if you prefer, you can mark synced items as busy. This can be especially useful if you want to prevent others from booking meetings during those times. Once you've configured everything to your liking, it's time to test the sync. This is where we'll ensure that everything is working as it should. Create a test event in Pipedrive and check your external calendar to see if it appears there. Then, create an event directly in your external calendar and make sure it shows up in Pipedrive. This step is crucial to confirm that both ends are communicating freely and effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up the two-way calendar sync in Pipedrive. This feature can significantly enhance your workflow by keeping everything seamlessly connected. Thanks for tuning in, and if you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and give the